Okay, now let's put some detail into here. So if it's a vertical move, let's do that bit first. Okay, so we want to know, so if the start file is equals a finish file, then it's going vertically, but is it going up or down? So I need to do a calculation for the direction. Okay, so how do we determine? Well, it's determined by the start rank and the start file. If the start rank is smaller than the finish rank, then the start rank is below it, so that means we're moving up. Okay, so start rank is less than the finish rank, then the move is up. Now, to signify that, or to have an indicator for that, I'm going to make a variable called vMove, vertical move. Okay, I'm going to set that to +1, and if it's not vertical, so let's put an else in there. So if it's not up, must be down. So I'm going to set vMove to -1. Okay, so I could have just put 1 rather than the -1, but I just want to make a point. Okay, now once that's set, I need to then go through each square in turn, from the start square to the finish square, up in a column or down in a column, and check that it's empty. Okay, remember this piece cannot move, cannot jump over. Okay, so we've got to check each square up to the finish square is empty. Okay, so I want to check if it's empty. Now how do I do that? So let's start by setting some counter really for the rank. So I'm going to call it test rank. I'm going to start at the start rank, and then I'm going to keep adding one or taking one away from it until I get to the finish rank. Okay, so it's going to be a repeat, and it's going to be an until, and I'm going to keep going until test rank is equal to the finish rank. Okay, now in between I need to add one or take one away depending on what vMove is. So I can do that in here. So if I just say set test rank to test rank plus vMove. Okay, so vMove is -1, it will take one away. And then I need to check that the squares are empty. So if I'm looking at the board, and remember it's a file first, finish let's just check, is this file first or the rank first when we're using the board? Let's just check rank and file. Okay, so we want to say board test rank, and then we are going to be in the same file. Okay, so if that is not empty, okay, then we can't move. So I'm going to say set check Task3 move is legal to false. Okay, and if now obviously I want to break out the loop if it's not legal, so let's add that into here. So I'm going to say and not check Task3 move is legal. Okay, so not check Task3 move is legal means that if it's not true. Okay, so if it's false, so that should do that for me. Okay, so it's already set to true here, so if it goes through all of this then and there's nothing in the way, then it will still be true. If there's something in the way, then it will be false. Okay, so that's the vertical move done. Next we need to do the horizontal move in pretty much the same way.